Oxford is a very traditional city of knowledge and science, and the students feel the gravity of it.
I think what makes our program unique is that it's part-time, it's flexible, and it's really grounded in Oxford University's amazing research culture. So it encompasses the whole pipeline of drug discovery from start to finish, from very early phase discoveries which we have in the laboratory, right the way through clinical research and early clinical testing, and out to marketing approval of drugs. So it's really transformative.
We have built a course that starts from the beginning of the drug discovery process. It has in the core of it the pharmacovigilance and drug safety module, which provides the overarching safety net for the clinical outcomes, and then it moves into methodologies for clinical trials and clinical research in particular, how you design, you implement and you interpret the data from trials, and how these make a difference for clinical practice.
You're in a place where you get the most updated information about various different areas and niches in the field. So you feel like whatever ideas you come up with, you're kind of up to date with what has been happening.
You're going to get the opportunity to learn from top academics, not just from Oxford, but around the UK, and institutions that you wouldn't have the opportunity otherwise to learn from. So I think this will be a great asset for all interested in advancing their academic or professional credentials.
I think this program will endow students with the necessary skills and experience to excel in drug research. And I think if you have gone through this program, you would know the best evidence you would need to apply for medicines in practice.
The course in general is organized in a way where it gives you the best out of every aspect of the field. So you get ethics, clinical trials, regs, the science, and how you work around with data. So it's really getting the best of everything.
The environment is just for discussion and discourse as opposed to a one-sided type of lecture, sit there, take notes. It's a lot more than that.
The flexible format has been great. I live in San Diego, so I fly here for class for about a week. Then I'm able to go home and resume my activities at work in person while working on the post-module assignment. So it's been really nice, and being here, of course, is such a nice change of scenery.
The guest speakers give that real-world perspective, and they can talk about manufacturing problems, commercial imperatives, everything that happens in drug development in real life.
Having studied at Oxford, I would say it's a spectacular place to study. Access to a wide range of resources, and you have a broad library that is very expansive, and you can get lots of information you require.
I've definitely applied a lot of what we've learned from the modules in this course. I work at a biotech startup, and obviously because we're an early stage, we were going through a phase 1 to a clinical trial. So a lot of the modules taught me how you set up a clinical trial, the ethics, the regulations behind it, and what things you have to consider before, during, and post-trial.
Oxford is a beautiful city. I walk around here and I am in awe every single day. I think one of my favorite parts about being at Oxford is all the people that I've met, all the friends that I've made. Everyone comes from a different place and has a different background, and it's been a really unique experience to be able to network and socialize with these people. And then of course the faculty here are amazing and experts in what they do, and it's been a really unique experience to learn from them.
At the end of the course, the students are well equipped to tackle many issues, but also to have a unique approach to what to expect from their own professional work and how to benefit society at large.